Welcome to JF Auto Car, your ultimate destination for exciting car reviews and automotive content. Today, we bring you one of the most advanced and exclusive hypercars ever built, the Ferrari LaFerrari. A car that represents the perfect blend of technology, performance, and Italian excellence. Stay with us as we explore what makes the LaFerrari a true masterpiece. The Ferrari LaFerrari is powered by a hybrid 6.3-liter V12 engine combined with an electric motor, producing a staggering 950 horsepower. This hybrid technology, inspired by Formula One, allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.6 seconds, with a top speed of over 350 km per hour. The combination of instant electric torque and raw V12 power makes the LaFerrari one of the most thrilling hypercars ever made. The design of the LaFerrari is a perfect balance of aerodynamics and elegance. Every curve and vent is designed to enhance performance, from the aggressive front splitter to the active rear wing that adjusts based on speed and downforce requirements. The carbon fiber monocoque keeps the car lightweight while ensuring maximum strength and rigidity. Inside, the LaFerrari offers a racing-inspired cockpit with a driver-focused layout. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while the F1-style steering wheel integrates controls for a seamless driving experience. The seats are molded directly into the chassis for a lower center of gravity, enhancing stability and handling. On the road, the LaFerrari delivers an unmatched driving experience. The hybrid powertrain offers immediate response,